Hello friends, in advanced web designing our topic is list in HTML. In that we have already seen what is nested list, but this is more advanced. You will see what is multi-level nested list in this example. See, I have made one program here, so you can see the several list tag here. So the main list of this program is UL. So by default type of this UL will be a circle. So this list item is belongs to this UL tag, that is main UL tag. This is main unordered list, but in between you can see OL list. So this will be 1 2 3 for OL. HTML5 hyperlink and inserting image will be for this OL. This is the member of UL tag, but this is OL tag, and this is your third member of UL tag, because the OL is getting ended here. So this will be the list, this list item will be the third item of your this main UL tag. Again I am starting again another UL whose type is circle and its member is conditional structure, and again in that again I am using another UL whose type is square, and these are the member of this UL only. So if statement, else statement and case statement will be the member of this inner UL in this UL. This under UL will be the part of this UL only, and this is the second member of this UL. The loop statement is the second member of this UL only, and this is residing under this main OL tag. So you can see, and you can do it by yourself and you will understand more. I will run this program to make you understand more. So see, this is main UL, under that this is again OL, its type is 1, so you can see 1 2 3 here, and the by default type of UL is disk. So you can see the bullets here 1 2 3, and another UL is starting here with the circle type, and in the first member of that is conditional structure. In that it is again UL tag with the type square, and you can see the member of this if statement, else statement and case statement, and the second member of this UL is loop statement, and the whole UL is getting ended here. So this is about multi-level list. So you can mix up any tags and make your own list like this. You can try by yourself more example. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this lecture.